How to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you are going to gain all sales and leads and get actual generations for yourself with your business or whatever purpose you're creating a landing page for. So in this case, we're going to create it for affiliate marketing, and a landing page for affiliate marketing is an incredible choice because the best way to actually gain an audience for your affiliate or for your affiliation or to gain commission through the marketing is to create a landing page, because landing pages are proper pages with aesthetically pleasing elements and proper details about what you're trying to market or what you're trying to sell. So the platform that we're going to use to create a proper free landing page is called System.io. Now, System.io basically allows you to create a free account free of charge. It's a free plan forever, and there is no credit card required with the sign up, which is pretty nice. All right. So in System.io, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and enter an email address. So I'm going to go ahead and add a temp mail address for myself, but you don't necessarily have to do that. You can use any email. So once you add the email, you're going to click on get my free account. That will take you straight to your dashboard over here. So this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Now in this dashboard, there are a lot of things that you can see. You have upgrade up here to obviously upgrade your plan, dashboard, which is your main analytical section, contacts, where you can actually add people that are already in your contact list or who are already your leads. Then there's the funnel section where we're going to be working and creating a landing page. We have emails, blog, automations, products, sales, and help. Now, we need to get into funnels, all right? So once you're in funnels, what you're going to do is you're going to click on create. Once you click on create, you're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it affiliate marketing. So this is what my funnel is going to be called. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to choose what the funnel is for. It's either for building an audience, selling a product, or build a custom funnel from scratch. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, the more people you get, the more likely you are to actually sell the product and get commission for it. So in this case, I'll go with build an audience because this just works much better. So once you've created it, you're going to click on the funnel that you've created. Now you have three basic steps. So you have the squeeze page, which is going to be the main landing page that people are going to come on, and it's basically called a squeeze to squeeze viewers in. Then there's a thank you page, and then an inactivity page. The inactivity page isn't something too much to deal with because this is only in the concern when the servers of System.io have, gone down or something. In that case, the inactive page appears where it tells the people that, the servers are inactive, which is why the landing page is not working. So pretty basic and, straightforward stuff. You can also add more steps or add more pages for yourself, but that obviously depends on you. That depends on the type of funnel or the type of landing pages you're creating. Now, in my case, squeeze page and thank you page work perfectly, so I don't need anything more than that. So staying in these boundaries, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose a template. I'm going to choose a template that goes well with my design. So let's say I want to affiliate something of Amazon store. So what you can do is you can actually go over to Amazon and you can be an affiliate for Amazon. So I'm going to go over to the, let's say, Razer headphone section. So let's say I'm, trying to sell Razer headphones to people through affiliation. Now over here, what you can do is you can actually get a picture off of these headphones. So I'm going to go ahead. Let's say these white headphones. These look pretty slick. So I'm going to go ahead, right click on save image as, and we're going to save this image onto our desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and add it over here. Click on save. Now, once this is saved, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your funnels, choose a template. I'm going to go with this template because this matches the vibe of what I want to go with. And once you've chosen the template, you're going to click on edit page. Now, as we click on edit page, it's going to open up the proper funnel page editor. So over here, first of all, let's add the headphone image. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the image section, drag and drop it over here, click on this, You're going to click on the image file, select file, and it's going to open up your file explorer. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this image and we're going to click on insert. So once we click on insert, it's going to look like this. Now, if you don't want the white backgrounds on this, you have a much better way to get rid of that. So there's a software called remove.bg, which removes the background off of photos for free. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload our image over here. And once the image uploads, it's going to remove the whole background off of it. We're going to go ahead and download it. Once it's done downloading, we're going to come back to our editor and we're going to go to select file again. Once you come to select file again, just choose the PNG that you want to go with. And once we have chosen our PNG of choice, insert it, and look at that. Much better and much more sleek. Now over here, you can also change your texts. So let's say I'm going to add its proper name. So it's called Razer Kyra. So Razer Kyra. There we go. So once you do that, you're going to add its obvious details down here. And I would most probably prefer to not copy it off of Amazon, but obviously take more of an inspiration from Amazon's description. So, you know, whatever description Amazon has given down here, just add this in GPT or something and tell it to rephrase it. And that should work incredibly for you. So once you've done that, obviously add more images about it. You can just go over to Amazon and choose different images like these, or you can choose these images. You know, just do proper marketing. Give a proper, you know, you could give proper details of the features of the headphones through images. And trust me, images are a game changer, so definitely use them. But once we've done this, we have this button over here. So first of all, I'm going to change its text. So to change the text of this, we're going to find out the text panel where it's going to say buy tickets. So obviously to change it, what we are going to do, we're going to click on it. Once you click on it, here it's going to say action when button clicked. So next step URL, or what you can do is you can open a certain URL. So here, what you're going to do is you're going to add the affiliate link for your Amazon. So whatever your affiliate link is, copy it, add it over here. There we go. And then you can choose open in the same window, new window. I'm going to go with same window. It works better. And once we do all of this, here's the button text. And I'm going to change this to buy now. Now, once this is done, what you're finally going to do is you're going to click on save changes. And this basically saves your funnel page. Now we're going to go ahead and back out of this. And let me show you what things are going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and click on view funnel. Okay, I'm going to close the Amazon page on the right side. So here's our headphone and here's the details of it. We're going to go ahead and click on buy now and let's see where it takes us. Boom, there you go. So this is how you can actually do affiliate marketing for different platforms through creating landing pages through System.io. So once you have done this, how do you actually lead people to go to your landing page? Don't worry. What you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to funnels. In funnels, here we have the link for affiliate marketing. So we're going to click on these three dots. We're going to click on share and copy link to clipboard. And you can actually send this link out through marketing on Facebook ads, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want. So if someone clicks on your link, they're going to go straight over to your funnel and start working with it. So, you know, pretty easy and pretty basic stuff to get your head around. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.